everybody, Dutch here with July's Crazy Cat Lady box. If you guys don't know what the Cat Lady box is, it is a subscription service for you, the cat lover, and your little fur baby. There are two options to choose from. There is the $34.99 option, which comes with 2 to 3 cat-themed items for yourself, or there's the $39.99 a month option, which comes with those 2 to 3 cat-themed items for yourself, plus 2 usually cat toys for your little fur baby. So, Juliet is screaming at me. She wants into the box. She's running circles around here. So let's see what July's comes with. And I love July because it's my birthday month. So it's like a birthday present from the cat lady. This is the card this month. It is beautiful. Every month you get a beautiful artist rendition of some sort of cat theme. And I love it. They're all so beautiful. On the back of the card, it usually gives what is inside the box. And I don't like to look at it. I like to be surprised. But I will look at this month's theme is Suns Out, Purrs Up. Suns Out, Purrs Up. Juliet is getting into the box right now. So, let's see. Now she is in the box. We must. Alright, first on the list, let's see. She wants in. There's something in a bag here. If I can get open. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's like a little cat bed. Little palm trees all over it. There's a cat lady down at the bottom. Aww. It's all soft. That looks like a little cat bed for little Miss Juliet. Huh. Let's see. Alright. So, beach towel cat mat. I think that's what it is. Beach towel cat mat. Beach towel cat mat. She doesn't, I'm in Arizona, so she doesn't really like to go outside. It's really, really hot. She'll step out on the patio and realize how hot it is and then come right back inside. But she'll lay on it in here. So there we go. Next, let's see what this is. Another package with cat face, cat lady on the other side. It is like a little bag to bring to the beach. Aww. That's cute. Look, it's like almost like a little makeup bag. That's cute. Juliet, you want a makeup bag? Let's put that there. Little makeup bag sitting on my towel. Now, feels like sunglasses. I love sunglasses. Oh, they are. Juliet's in the box. Like, well, oh, look at all those little kitties. Yep, totally wearing these everywhere I go. I love these. These are definitely replacing my sunglasses. Look at all the kitties. Yes. Juliet is it. She found the other toy. I gotta get it back. That's awesome. Definitely. All right. Since she pulled this out of the box, here is the cat toy. It's a sun, which is perfect for Arizona because it's hot here and all we get is sun. So a little smiley face, sun. Juliet. Hey. See if she gets it. She tripped over the box. My cat is not the most smooth and balanced cat in the world, but she's cute. That's what matters. Alright, let's see what's next. Another package. Oh, it's like a little, it's another bag. Little tote bag. Drawstring. Yay. Carry all your stuff around in when you go out to the beach or the pool. Juliet wants the strings. Juliet. Alright, there's that. Where's the sun? I can't reach it. I can't look backwards. Alright. And last but not least, little box of something here. Says Cat Lady lip gloss. Perfect peach. Perfect peach. Want some lip gloss? Loving these sunglasses. They're awesome. Oh, look. It's got a little cat face on it. Cat lady. Perfect peach. I already have lip gloss on it, but it's subtle. I like that. I like this a lot. All right, Juliet's gonna knock over the camera here in a second. She's walking behind it. Come here. So now I got a email from Cat Lady stating that there was supposed to be 2 of something in the box that they only sent 1 of. Let's try and figure out. I don't know what it was supposed to be. Let's see. We've got the Per Toys Shell sunglasses. Only one of those. The cat travel bag set. For vacation or staycation, or even just keeping your things organized at home, this cool travel bag set includes 2 drawstrings bags that are perfect for undergarments, swimsuits, or shoes, and 1 cat-shaped zipper pouch that's great for makeup and travel. So I'm guessing you're supposed to get 2 of these bags, but it only came with 1. That's okay. The people at Cat Lady are so awesome. If you ever have any problems, you just email them, send them a message on Facebook or through their website, and they will take care of everything like that. They are so good at keeping in contact. And when they sent out the message stating that there were supposed to be 2 of something and only 1 got sent out, they are going to send it with the next cat box. So I'll be getting my other bag. Go, Julia. I'll be getting my other bag with the other cat box. There she goes. She is the sun. So here is July's, my birthday, Crazy Cat Lady box. Alright, so we have got, before I drop everything, the little beach towel. We have got the little travel set with the makeup bag and this bag. We have got the lip gloss, the perfect peach, and the sun cat toy, and the awesome sunglasses that I'm going to be wearing everywhere because they look really good on me. So, love these. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave me a message, leave me a comment. Be sure to give Juliet a thumbs up, who's now trying to eat all the plastic that everything came in. Juliet, say hi to your fans. This is Juliet. She loves everything, and she loves all the people at the Cat Lady box. She gets so excited every month for all of the toys. She is a toy fanatic. Go. So, like I said, if you have any comments or questions, please leave me a message, leave me a comment. And if you're not already a subscriber of this box, you should be, because it is awesome. And I have been subscribing for over a year now, and I am never disappointed. She's getting ready to jump somewhere. She's going after another cat toy that I got in last month's box, the fish. So, until next time, bye.